Hey, Chris McCarthy out here in Sacramento, California, in the Arden Park area. You know, I love to go back and see previous customers that have worked with Reliable Home Improvement over the years. This case, this is a multi-time previous customer. This house has had a lot of work done in the backyard. Beautiful landscaping, trees, pride of ownership. In fact, they've lived in this house for about 40 years.
Cover thing. It's been out here. We've been talking about it for years. You know, you can see the post set there. Had the corrugated.
Oh, yeah.
Had the corrugated clear on it.
Oh, it's going to look nice.
Yeah.
Two big sliders right there.
Yeah.
Only if she wants to.
He makes
When we're
videos.
done.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now, after it's been installed, we come back to look, and wow, what a difference from before to now. Now, this one was a redwood patio cover. It was falling apart.
Totally different.
They got their years out of it. Now, we enlarged the concrete patio. It's broom and salt finish. Beautiful concrete. And the patio cover, skylights, fans. What a transformation from before.